So if you have images throughout your mind map, then you are going to automatically have more powerful memory, more stimulation, more interest, more generative thought.
Mind mapping has been proven to boost your productivity, creativity, memory, and comprehension, and can be used for almost anything, from planning and organising tasks to generating ideas and presenting. Visit our website at thinkmusan.com to find out more.
So one word for one branch. I hope you can get an idea that what does it mean, that how it can start from the main image and main idea, and it been converted to the branches, and how it works basically. By end of this session, you would be able to understand that what is mind map, how you can use this mind map in education for the students, and especially I have collected some of the tools and softwares which can tell you that how you can create mind map. And even if you do not have any kind of softwares, how you can create these mind maps in Microsoft Word even. So stay tuned. By the end of the session, you would have a very interesting content in coming slides. We do have a lot of things to discuss. So let's have a look about mind map for education, that how we can have advantage or enhancement, or what kind of ideas which can be used for the students and for the education, and how students can have more interactive and interesting ideas by learning the creativity instead of just trying to repeat the text form. Mind mapping helps students to organize ideas and understand concepts better. Not only does this speed up the time it takes to learn new information, but it embeds this new information into the long-term memory and more effectively. Adding colors and images on mind map can help students further by using visual cues to recall information at a later stage, such as during exams or presentations. If they are using the different pictures and they are preparing, and teacher told them how to create the mind map, at that time, at the time of examination or at the time of presentation, they can recall all the information by the pictures and by the using the colors. So color scheme is also very effective, using different type of colors for different type of branches. Although educators and students have been drawing concept maps and mind maps on paper for many years, this has changed with the introduction of visual thinking software. In particular, mind mapping by using different type of, because something drawing on the paper, not all the students or the teacher have the drawing capability, or their artwork is so good. So after introduction of visual thinking softwares, this concept been completely changed, and it helped everyone to be able to just take a little bit understanding with the softwares, and then they can prepare the very beautiful and very good and organized form of a mind mapping by themselves. So what kind of prerequisites to jump into software to creating a mind map? So we do need to have a look for the prerequisites. You have to prepare for what you're going to be prepared, not top to bottom. Here from bottom to top approach, you have to choose the topic of the mind map and place it in the middle of the drawing. As I told you that there is one concept, one picture as a main idea and main theme. Then you have to convert and transmit them in the form of branches, so you can have more idea and learning form. Come up with 3 to 5 main ideas, then evenly space them in a circular formation around the mind map topic. On third phase, you have to draw a line from the mind map topic to each main idea, and then brainstorm spotting details such as ideas, tasks, and questions for each main idea. And in the end, draw lines connecting each main idea to its spotting details. So you have to choose the topic from bottom, and then main idea, then connect them with the lines, and then start brainstorming to bring the concept and more details. And you can find out a little bit detail on right side. You can find out like this is the main idea, mapping software selections, and then you can go with the connecting your ideas with the lines, and here you can have ideas, and then again it's branching them out. These tools have automated the mind mapping process, making it more efficient to brainstorm concepts as idea or branches. Why we do use the softwares, and the major reason is that some mind mapping software integrates with MS Office and Google, which is allowing students to convert their ideas into other documents such as Word or PowerPoint. They do not need to go with the expensive software, so they have to buy all the things. They can do all these things in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. Let's dive into this a little bit further. Like a typical essay or assignment is often written in a linear or hierarchical format. It means top to bottom or top down approach. However, that format can be difficult to work with, especially for students who struggles to sequence information in this way. Mind mapping is a non-linear or radial way to organize information and is more suited to the organic method of thinking. As we have already discussed that in a written form, there is a concept that you have to take start from left to right and top to bottom approach. But your mind have a different approach. Its approach is you have to see a complete image at once, and you try to extract the information. So mind mapping can have a non-linear or radical way to organize information. So what happened like that? That more suits the organic method of thinking. Students and teachers can think in a more better way. Mind maps make generating ideas easier and help the thoughts more coherently. So you have to go with mind map to have more understanding and developing or delivering your knowledge to the students. And this is more easy for the students to understand, to grab the informations and keep them in their mind by using different colors and one word as one line. So later in the presentation or examination, they can remember or recall all the information more easily. So here we do have some best software creating mind map. I'm going to discuss with you. Some are free, some are paid versions, but have a look, and that can give you an idea that how to create mind map using different softwares.
You the 5 best mind mapping software. Mind mapping software is a brainstorming tool that enables you to create visual diagrams of your ideas. Mind maps are great tools for understanding and communicating ideas because we humans are visual creatures and we process visual informations very quickly. So mind mapping is used by various profiles such as teachers, students, graphic designers, developers, project managers, entrepreneurs, and more. It is not only used to improve work performance, but mind mapping is also used to improve yourself. So first on the list is MindMaster. MindMaster is user-friendly and professional mind mapping tool. This software comes with a lot of built-in features. It is available for Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, and web version. It has both free and pro version. After opening MindMaster, you will find yourself on the template page where you can pick up your favorite mind map template. Once you find a template that you want to create, double-click the template thumbnail, then you will be redirected to the workspace where you can edit and change the template as you like. On the right side, you have different options in vertical and horizontal. To add the main topic, select the center rectangular and press the enter button. To add the subtopic, You need to select the main topic and press the Ctrl plus Enter. You can change the color of the main topic. You can add the border to the shapes. You can change the fonts. So for example, if you want to change the design of your mind map, you can go to the first option in the horizontal tab and then choose the design you want. All the design will give you the live preview for you. You can change the layout of your mind map using the second option. You can also change the connector style in your mind map. Click the connector style button and choose the desired one in the drop down menu. If you go to the second option in the vertical tab, you will get the outline of your mind map in the single screen. If you click on the third option, you can add some icons like priorities, progress. You can add different symbols. If you click on clip art, there are many categories. You can go to any category and drag and drop the icon into your main design. We also have few options on the top menu, like adding the main topic and subtopic. There is something called floating topic in this section. Add a topic outside of your mind map. You can create the relationship between each task. Also, you can add the callout. You can select multiple rectangle and then create the boundary. To show correlationship, you can select the multiple rectangle and create the summary for that. It's also designed to give a quality presentation of everything you have worked on so far to teammates and stakeholders. To create presentation slides automatically, you can go to Slideshow tab and then click Auto Create button. See thumbnail of the auto created slides on Preview Slideshow. Preparing Gantt charts from mind maps is quite easy in MindMaster. Go to the Advanced tab and then click on Gantt chart. Select all the topics of mind map and then click on Add Task Information. You can see all our mind maps topics are now listed into Gantt charts. Using Gantt chart options, you can format a few things like the date chart, units.
Here, I just want to tell you, and you can see a complete picture of mind map in front of your screen, and this software can give you plenty of options to utilize and prepare the mind map. But the one important thing which I want to discuss with you, that this is pretty easy. Just drag and drop and you could have a very interesting information in front of you. You can create the diagrams, and you're already familiar all these type of things and boxes and everything in Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint. But might possible you're not familiar with the mind map. Mind map is using the same tool to prepare your topic by using a specific picture or theme and then dividing them into the sub branches and enabling the student to remember and recall all the information more easily. Because as a human mind, this is natural way of thinking that you can remember in the form of pictures more easily, or instead of the words. For example, there is one story written in the book, might possible you need a long time to understand that one, but if someone give you the same story in the form of visuals, like in the form of video, so it's more easy. One time you have to go through that video and later on all the story in your mind. I remember there is one person told me, it's long ago, that like at that time there was the tape recorders available. That was not the very familiar like YouTube and everything. He told me that I'm not able to understand the bookish knowledge, like he was going into school or college somewhere. But he said, I can easily memorize all the songs which I listen in the tape recorders. So it means his listening power in the form of entertainment is more easy to understand. So he told me, if you want me to learn or remember all the things in my subjects, just give me in the form of songs. Just record it and give me, I will do it like this way. So I just want to make it clear here that sometimes textual description is more difficult to understand, to memorize, to recall. Everything is very difficult. But in the form of pictures, in the form of videos, you can have more easy understanding and remembrance.
Whether to include weekends onto your chart and define the time frames. Once your Gantt chart is ready, you can easily export it into PDF format. MindMaster is also available for web version. You can access it to mindmaster.io. Click on the try free and you will see the same set of template. You must log into your account for online collaboration with your teams. Click on any existing templates. To involve multiple users into your project, just go to the collaboration option, change the permission level of new users and then click on create a link. You can copy this link and share it among your team. Using this link, they can log in using their account and directly join you into the mind map project. When any of the members make changes into mind map topics, it dynamically reflects to the other. Next we have Xmind. Xmind is the professional and powerful mind mapping software widely used for project management, brainstorming, knowledge management, meeting minutes, information management, and so on. It is available for iOS, Android, Mac, and Windows. They provide styles and themes to get you started, and as you create your mind maps, you can attach files, audio, image, and links. They do not have a free version. Xmind offers a free trial. Next we have MindMaster, an online mind mapping tool. MindMaster lets you capture, develop, and share ideas visually. Since it is completely web-based, you can access your mind map right inside the web browser without updating or downloading the software. MindMaster is used for taking notes, planning projects, and brainstorming ideas that can be customized with different styles, icons, and images. With its simple interface, anyone can use it to improve their productivity and turn ideas into action. It is available for iOS, Android, and web version. Next we have Mind Manager. It is best for any individual looking for more visual way to manage daily tasks, work project, or to brainstorm ideas. It is available for Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, and web version. At the last we have Miro. Miro is a quick and easy way for a team to capture, manage, plan script, and structure their thoughts. It is available on any device and on the web. When you get started, you can choose from any number of templates. Just start with the standard blank whiteboard and you are not limited to one template. You can add as many as you want to a board. You can add shapes, text, and sticky notes as needed.
So that's all related to some of the software